Welcome back. Well, with so many cosmetic treatment options on the market, it can be confusing trying to decide which one is best to improve your image, whether you need a spa treatment, in-office procedure, or surgery. It's important not to waste money on a method that simply doesn't work.
That's very true. To learn about the newest permanent fat reduction technology in the country, I took a tour of the spa and operating room with the board-certified doctors and staff at Plastic Surgery Associates. Check it out. Melissa, you guys started Plastic Surgery Associates in '99, and you've really become this statewide destination. What makes you guys so unique?
What's great about Plastic Surgery Associates is we're able to offer a broad spectrum of services and treatments, from facials to facelifts and everything in between, like laser treatments, injectables, and even fat reduction treatments.
That's exciting. So patients can come here and do operating room procedures as well?
Yep, absolutely. We have a Medicare-approved facility with board-certified anesthesiologists, and the doctors are board-certified as well.
That's exciting. So what kinds of things would people do in the operating room? Would they do like a liposuction?
We could do liposuction, basically full body from head to toe cosmetic surgeries, from facelifts, eyelids, breast surgeries, all types. And we even do reconstruction as well.
That's wonderful. And you yourself are a nurse?
Yes.
And why do you think that's so important to have someone with your credentials working right here in the spa area?
I think it's really important for patients to have the safest outcomes that they can get. We understand the anatomy, we understand how to avoid complications, and we can give the patients the best results.
And what kind of results are people getting? When you talk about like the spa area, what procedures are they doing?
We're doing things for improving skincare, texture, tone, resurfacing. We're doing facial treatments, and then as well also some body contouring treatments.
It's exciting. So it's like the whole fountain of youth right here.
Absolutely.
You've got it all. Well, that's great. Well, I'm excited to meet all the doctors too and check out the rest of the place.
Yep, we'll take you back there to see them.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So doctor, you guys are a full service cosmetic center, and you've got this exciting new technology called Sculpture. What is it?
Sculpture is a technology that we have been looking at for about a year now. And it recently became FDA approved in September, and we jumped right on it. It's essentially a new technology that does non-invasive permanent fat removal.
That's exciting. You guys are the first ones in Wisconsin to have it. So how exactly does it work? Because this is the machine here.
It's a laser. The laser gently warms the fat underneath the skin. The fat melts away and it gets reabsorbed by your body over the course of a few weeks.
Okay, so a lot of people have heard of cool sculpting where your fat is frozen. How is Sculpture different? Because you said it's warm, right?
It's warm, and there are a couple of differences. One is that it only takes 25 minutes for a treatment as opposed to an hour. It is much less painful than cool sculpting can be sometimes. And because we have 4 different paddles that we can move around, we can treat multiple areas at one time.
So what kind of results are we talking about? Because at the end of the day, we're getting permanent fat loss. We want to know how much we're actually losing.
It gets rid of about 25% of fat. And so it tends to work really well in areas like your belly or your love handles where you have those stubborn pockets.
Can you do the ugly underarm too?
Well, underarms and thigh areas we've been doing as well. Works great.
That's exciting. And with that kind of fat loss in your stomach area, that's the difference of going from like a one-piece swimsuit to a bikini.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if someone's watching and they think this sounds great for me, how do you know that this is the right technology for them?
Well, you would come in for a consultation, and we would obviously look at you and determine whether or not you were an appropriate candidate for this machine or liposuction. We offer liposuction in-house, and many people are still appropriate candidates for that.
Yeah.
So if you need a little bit more done, we can offer that here too.
That's great. So we're going to check out the operating room as well.
Great.
Thanks. Doctor, you and your father, George, started this place over 20 years ago, and it's truly grown into a state-of-the-art facility with no limits.
Yeah, we're very proud of it. We opened up the facility in 1999, and at the time that we decided to build the facility, we were looking for privacy for our patients. We were looking for cost containment for our patients, and when we made the determination that this facility would give us that, we sat down and made a decision we were going to certify by this surgical center, and we have achieved the highest level of certification you can achieve, which is Medicare.
So let's talk about lipo. These are the tools that you use.
Yeah, they are. And this is a typical classic cannula. These were the original cannulas that came out when liposuction was originally described, but we now have gotten slightly more sophisticated. Now we have a motorized cannula.
It's like power tool for plastic surgeons.
It's a power tool for plastic surgeons. It allows the cannula to pass through the patient easily, and it glides easily, and thus getting a more effective liposuction.
So we can talk about the surgical part, but the truth is with liposuction and these procedures, you're really changing lives.
Yeah, there is no question about that, Tiffany. And after being in practice for 22 years, we have seen some really incredible results. And that leads to patient happiness, and in the end, patients carry themselves differently through their life.
So the key here is really coming in for that consultation, sitting down with you, not fitting a square peg in a round hole, but really spending your money where it's best suited for you.
Yes, a typical med spa will invest in a machine. It's a hammer, and if you got a hammer, everything looks like a nail. That's not necessarily the case in our center. We have a full toolbox, and whatever you need, we can apply it and give you the best result.
I love it. Thanks so much today.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Beautiful spot. And if you mention the Morning Blend when you visit Plastic Surgery Associates, for a limited time, they're offering 20 units of Botox or Dysport free with any Sculpture fat reduction treatment. So make sure you mention you saw them here on the Morning Blend. The spa at Plastic Surgery Associates is located on Blue Mound Road in Waukesha. Call them for an appointment at 262-970-5600 or visit cosmeticsurgeryplus.com.